Oh no, Daniel, what are you doing?
What? I thought I'd help by starting early.
You can't just throw pasta in cold water. Wait, is the stove even on?
Should it be?
Yes! Okay, everyone watching, this is Daniel. He offered to help me cook today, but clearly we need to start from the very beginning.
Hey, I'm not that bad. I make great toast.
Toast? You literally just put bread in a toaster. That doesn't count.
It counts. Sometimes I burn it, which means I'm experimenting with flavors.
Right. Okay, let's start over. Hi, everyone. Today, my friend Daniel and I are making creamy mushroom pasta. And I mean, we are making it. Not Daniel destroying my kitchen while I watch.
I wasn't destroying anything. I was being proactive.
Proactive would be reading the recipe first. But you know what? This is perfect. You'll see real cooking, real mistakes, and real English conversation.
So I'm the before example in a cooking tutorial?
Think of yourself as the relatable one. Everyone watching has probably done the same thing.
That actually makes me feel better. Okay, so where do we start?
Let's gather everything first. We need pasta, mushrooms, heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, butter, garlic, fresh parsley, salt, and black pepper.
That's not too many ingredients. I can handle this.
See? Simple. Can you grab that large pot and fill it with water?
How much water?
About 3/4 full.
Got it. Should I put it on the stove now?
Yes, and turn the heat to high.
Water's on. What's next?
While it heats up, let's prep our ingredients.
Smart, so we're not rushing later.
Exactly. Rinse the mushrooms under cold water.
Rinse them. Got it. Should I dry them too?
Yes, pat them dry with a paper towel.
Okay, they're clean and dry now.
Perfect. Now we slice the mushrooms about 1/4 inch.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. You're a natural.
Not sure about that, but they look pretty good.
While you finish, I'll mince the garlic.
Why chopped so small?
Because garlic burns easily. Minced cooks evenly and releases flavor.
Makes sense. Oh, the water's starting to bubble.
That means it's almost boiling.
It's boiling now. Should I add the pasta?
Not yet. First, add a generous pinch of salt.
How much is generous?
About a tablespoon.
Salt's in. Now pasta?
Now pasta. Give it a stir so it doesn't stick.
Done. How long does it cook?
Check the package.
Says 11 minutes.
Perfect. Set a timer. We want it al dente.
Timer's set. Sauce time.
Sauce time. Grab that skillet.
How much butter?
2 tablespoons. Medium heat.
Butter's melting. Smells amazing already.
Butter always smells good. Now add the garlic.
Sauté means cooking quickly in fat, right?
Exactly. And stir, it burns fast.
It's turning golden. Mushrooms now?
Yes. Spread them in a single layer.
Should I stir?
Not yet, let them brown.
They're sizzling. This is fun.
Cooking should be fun.
They're browning nicely.
Perfect. Keep cooking until they're soft and golden, about 5 minutes.
Mushrooms look great. Pour in 1 cup of cream. Whoa, it's bubbling a lot.
Normal. Stir and let it simmer.
Add Parmesan now.
Yes, half a cup. Lower the heat.
Sauce is getting thick.
Exactly what we want. Add salt and pepper.
Can I taste it?
Of course.
Maybe a bit more salt?
Trust your taste. Add a little. Timer's up. Pasta's ready. Turn off the heat and drain the pasta carefully.
Pasta's drained. Now what?
Add it straight to the sauce.
All of it?
All of it. Use the tongs to toss it.
Toss? Like mixing?
Yes, gently coating each piece.
Looks so creamy.
Now add chopped parsley on top.
Done. I'll sprinkle it on top.
Beautiful. Now it looks complete.
It actually looks professional.
Let's take it to the table. Ready to taste it?
I'm so ready. Here goes nothing. Oh, wow.
Right?
This is incredible. The sauce is so creamy and rich.
And the mushrooms add that earthy flavor.
I can't believe I actually cooked something that tastes good.
You did more than cook. You learned new words, practiced English, and made something delicious.
Could I add chicken to this? Or maybe shrimp?
Absolutely. You could saute chicken or shrimp right after the garlic.
I'm learning so much today.
That's the point. Learn, cook, enjoy.
Thank you for being patient. I know I asked a lot of questions.
Questions are good. And honestly, you were a big help.
Cooking with someone is always more fun.
I agree. Should we clean up before we get too comfortable?
Do we have to?
Yes, but it's easier together.
You wash, I'll dry.
Deal. So there you have it. We started with simple ingredients, followed easy steps, and ended up with a restaurant-quality meal. And along the way, you heard real English conversation. Thanks for joining us today.
And don't forget to have fun while learning.
See you next time.